Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna entertain a little core shield troll that was commenting on my last video. Very smart comment, BCH with a lot of exclamation signs here, but it gets better in the second comment. It says, bitch, please. The only retard here is you. Who's winning the race? Bitcoin with another exclamation sign. That's why your shitcoin can't even fill the larger blocks every 10 minutes. 8 megabyte blocks with less than 1 megabyte transaction blocks. Dogecoin is better than that you can't. So I don't know exactly what you mean by better than what? That you can't. Okay, so I'm gonna make emphasis in this part here. Who's winning the race? Bitcoin. So I hope you mean Bitcoin Cash when you say Bitcoin. If not, please watch the rest of my video. I'm gonna try to give it to you like if you were a 5-year-old kid. I'm sure there's some core shields out there that are intelligent. I'm sure it's not everyone, but man, I yet have to find the first one. By August 15, August 1st, we had the fork, but until August 15, Bitcoin Cash was not available to trade in the exchanges, or at least in the main exchanges. So I'm going to take 15 of August 2017, the day that Bitcoin Cash became available in most exchanges. For example, this is Poloniex, and it was available right here. After this crazy candle here, this was not tradable yet, but the very next one was the 15th of August. Now, I'm going to give you 3 situations. If the 15th of August, you would have dumped all your Bitcoin Cash to get more Bitcoin Core, let's see how your situation would be today, as of today, 4th May 2018. The second situation is if you would have done nothing and just kept your 2 coins, one Bitcoin Core and one Bitcoin Cash. And the third situation here is if you would have dumped all your Bitcoin Core to get more Bitcoin Cash, and how your situation would be today. So for this, it's going to be very basic math. You had 1 Bitcoin Core, and then the 15th of August, you were given 1 Bitcoin Cash here. So right now you have $4,300 and $300. Now let's imagine you dumped all your Bitcoin Cash to get more Bitcoin Core. For this, we just need to grab the calculator and do 300 divided by 4,300. And you would have gotten 0.069 BTC, Bitcoin Core, okay? Plus 1 Bitcoin Core that you already have here. So we add here plus 1. And now in total, you have 1.069 Bitcoin Core. I'm gonna give this to you, and I'm gonna make it 1.07. Okay, just for the sake of rounding this, I'm just gonna give you a little bit more Bitcoin Core here. So today you would have 1.07 Bitcoin Core, okay? If you would have done nothing and kept the 2 coins, then you would still have 1 and 1, right? So I'm just gonna copy and paste here 1 and 1. And now let's see, if you would have dumped all your Bitcoin Core to get more Bitcoin Cash, how much Bitcoin Cash you would have today. So for this, we do the same, but the other way around. We go 4,300 divided by 300, and you get 14.33 Bitcoin Cash, plus the one that you already had here. That makes it a total of 15.33 Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so today you would have 15.33 Bitcoin Cash. I hope you can follow me so far. That would be your outcome today in the 3 situations. Now, all we have to do is calculate how much today is 1.07 BTC, how much are one of each, and how much is 15.33 Bitcoin Cash. And let's see what's the outcome today. So 1.07 Bitcoin Core times the price of Bitcoin Core today, which is, I'm seeing it right here, is 9,600 at the moment of recording this video. So you would have $10,270. So let's just put it here. Okay. Not bad. That's okay. At least you didn't lose money, right? Because you had 4,300, so you're okay. You didn't lose any money. You made some money here. Now let's see if you would have kept both. So obviously, I just said one Bitcoin Core right now is 9,600, and one Bitcoin Cash is, I have the price up there, 1,500. Okay, just for the sake of rounding this. And now let's see how much is 15.33 Bitcoin Cash. So for this, we need to do 15.33 times 1,500. And there you have almost $23,000. So let's put this here. Let's see how much this is in total. The two coins, 1 and 1, so it's 9,600 for one plus 1,500 for the other one, so it's 11,100. That's a little bit better than if you would have dumped all your Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin Core, so you would be a little bit better. But I think the best and most intelligent decision would have been to dump all your Bitcoin Core to get Bitcoin Cash. You would be more than double up as a fiat valuation. So next time you feel like asking who's winning the race, just take a look at these numbers. It's not too complicated to do. I mean, if you cannot understand this, then watch the video 10 to 15 times until you get it. So that's all for the lesson of today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.